Hi, and welcome to this step-by-step video tutorial on how to set a maximum number of orders per time interval using our system. This will help you manage the flow of orders and ensure smooth service during peak times. First, log into your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab. Next, go to the Services section. Here, you'll select which service you want to limit orders for. This could be delivery, pickup, or any other service you provide. Under the service you choose, click Order Timing. Now scroll down and you'll see a new setting called Limit Orders per Time Interval. Here, you can set the maximum number of orders for each time slot. For example, if you enter 1, only one order will be available to place within that time slot. But if you want to allow unlimited orders, leave the field blank or set it to 0. Next, set the time interval in minutes. This is the amount of time between each order slot. For example, if you set it to 10 minutes, customers can place one order every 10 minutes. To make sure this feature works correctly, you also need to enable the wait time and auto statuses setting. Make sure this option is turned on to ensure orders are processed automatically based on the limits you've set. And once you've done that, don't forget to save the changes. Now let's view the store and see how it works. If a customer places an order at 3:06 a.m., the next available time slot will be later, such as 3:10 a.m. Once an order is placed, that time slot will be blocked, and customers will only be able to select the next available time. And that's it! Now you know how to set a maximum number of orders per time interval. Thank you for watching and happy managing.